Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is continuation of interview series part 2. If you like this series, please give me one like for this video. It will be very supporting to me. Before wasting your time, let's get into the topic. Here the scenario is Loan App has providing three types of loans, that is personal, home and educational loan. Here the loan type is home loan. They have to upload house documents or the house details. If the loan type is educational, they have to upload educational details or educational documents. If the loan type is personal, it will go to directly for the approval. Here the scenario telling means based on the user option they select the loan type, the system has to take their decision. So we have to use decision rule in case of these scenarios. What's the definition of the decision rule? The decision category contains the rule types that define computing and comparing the values. Okay. At runtime, these rules calculate a result and decision the cases processing in the application to continue along with a particular path. I will give you a practical example of this scenario by using this decision rule. Let me open the Dev Studio. Here I created a loan app case type. I'm adding the stage here, that is collect info, and the step is loan type. Select loan type, configure you. I have to add the field here, loan type, and pick list. Drop down, add choices, home, personal, education, submit. So based on this loan type, the process has to move to next step. Okay. Okay, just click on save. And I have to add to another process. Just click on this, add new process. This process for the educational, educational details or the educational documents. And I'm adding another process for the home loan, house details or documents. Just click on this configure view and enter any field. Like for the demo purpose, I'm giving here the details. Only a single text box. Submit. And here also same field. House details. Submit. And the next stage is approval. It will go to the manager approval. And the step is approve or reject step. The user We should route to the manager and click on save and save and run. First of all, let me see what is the basic case type we are designing. Here the case type. The customer selected type is home. It should go to this particular process. Okay. If the customer or the user select the education, the particular step they have to go next is educational. And if the customer select the personal, the system has skipped these two steps and directly go to this manager approval. How can we do this? Here the process, the start process is here. It's not always. It should be when rule or you can write any expression. Here I'm only taking the expression. You can also use when rule. Expression is dot loan type is equal to education. Here I'm using decisioning. Okay. And here also same. Click on this process and start process expression. I'm applying the decision condition here. Dot loan type is equal to home. Go to this particular process and save. Just click on save and run. There are the multiple examples for the decision. You can also use decision shape for any decision table scenarios. Here my scenario is only particular expression, so I am using these only the boolean expression. So customer has to select the loan type is home and click on submit. It should go to house details. Okay, let me run the case again. So customer selected the loan type is personal. It will directly go to for the approval by skipping all two processes. Okay, it will directly going for the approval. Here the second scenario is we are creating a e-commerce application. The customer select the product into the cart. When they changes the product quantity, the price will also automatically change it with respect to the quantity. Day-to-day life, we are using a Amazon and Flipkart application. When we go to the cart and sell, increase the quantity and the price also increases with respectively. So we can use these type of requirement in the Pega by using declare expression rule in Pega. What is the definition of the declare expression? Let me see. These can be used to assign a target property based on source property value changes. Okay. Whenever the source property value gets updated, source property means the quantity property when get updated, declare expression get automatically called and executed. Note this point guys, declare expression is a automatic action. We cannot refer any particularly in the rule. There is a question called interview. What is the difference between the data transform and the declare expression? And is here the one point. In data transform, we have to call the data transform particularly a flow or a action area. But when it comes to the declare expression, we could not call anywhere else. For example, in the button action area or flow, it's automatically executed whenever the source property value changes. So I will give you a practical example. Let me open the Dev Studio. So here I taken the case type that is orders. Let me click on save and run. So the product name is iPhone and the quantity in the drop down only maximum 5 for the particular one user and the price is here. So here the scenario is whenever the user changes the quantity, the price will be automatically increases or decreases with respect to the quantity. For example, here the only one quantity price is 599. In case of user can select three, 3 into 599. It will automatically change with respect to this quantity. So how can you implement? Go to the respect to class and just right click on it, create decision, and here you can see declare expression. Click on declare expression. The target properties, what is the target property you have to change? That is price dot price, create and open, and set the value of, here I'm using a expression builder to create a expression. Just click on this settings icon, click on dot quantity into dot price. You have to give spaces between these because if you did not give spaces and click on dot, it will not display price sometimes. Okay, just here the quantities I'm giving here 3 and the price is 599. Click on test again, so it should calculate the result. The better indication 5 into 100 I am giving and test, and the result should be 500. Okay, it's working. Just click on submit. So it is a automation action whenever the source property changes and the target properties also automatically changes. Here I say and run the case again. So I'm changing the quantity here. So the quantity is 0, that is not the quantity selected. So that's why the price is 0. And when I click on the quantity is 1, it's 599, 2, 3, 4, and last 5. So based on the quantity, that is source value changing, the price, the target value also changing. So this is the scenario. So that's all for this video, guys. If you like this series, please give me one like for this video. I'm doing very hard work to do this series. Please understand and share to your Pega mate. And the last question for me is, comment your experience below, then I can understand to improve any content. And thank you so much, and may all your dreams come true. Bye bye.